There are searches underway presently by the Income Tax Department at the Delhi-based independent think tank, the Center for Policy Research, arguably the finest think tank in the country, something which was established, a think tank established way back in 1973. The action is being called connected to simultaneous raids which are happening in Haryana, Maharashtra and Gujarat over funding of more than 20 registered but non-recognized political parties. What exactly that means is unclear at this stage. Let's go across now to NDTV's Neeta Sharma, who's been tracking this. Neeta, what are these raids about?
Vishnu, now the Income Tax Department, after almost 5 hours, have confirmed that they are saying that this is a survey which they are conducting at CPR, that is the Center for Policy Research. A team of 9 to 10 officers, reached here at about 12 noon. And since then, they have been going through their books, their accounting books. The survey is being conducted. As far as what's the difference between survey and searches? As far as surveys are concerned, the Income Tax Department does not go to the residential premises of the people who are working here as far as the survey is concerned. When they are conducting searches, they also go and search their residential premises also. But as of now, they are saying they are only conducting a survey. Our sources are saying that it pertains to some FCRA violations, some foreign funding violations, which have been noticed by the income tax authorities, and that is why this survey is being conducted. As you were mentioning, this is a very esteemed this policy research organization is being run by some very known people. As far as their funding is also concerned, they themselves say that they have been getting grants from from foreign, but it mostly pertains to research. They have their own corpus also, and some international agencies and private sector sources also fund them. That is what has been stated at their website. But as far as the income tax is concerned, they say that some violations have been noticed, and that is why this survey is now being conducted. Now it's almost 5 hours. Since then, the income tax officials are inside the CPR building. Some of the employees, walked by also, but they hardly spoke to us. They said the income tax guys have asked them not to speak to anyone. The media is waiting for them outside, but seems this is going to be a long night because the survey is going to be conducted throughout the night. What the initial information is trickling down seems like. Vishnu?
Thanks, Neeta. Just in terms of the Center for Policy Research, and if you're I'm just going through the page of their governing council. Meenakshi Gopinath, the chairperson; Yamini Iyer, the president and chief executive; Subodh Bhargav, the former president of the Confederation of Indian Industry; Shyam Saran, the former foreign secretary; Rama Bijapurkar, who is a professor at IIM Ahmedabad; Vinita Bali, who is an independent director; Chandrasekhar Dasgupta, former ambassador to India; Sham Devan, a senior advocate of the Supreme Court of India; Rakesh Bharti Mittal, the vice chairperson of Bharti Enterprises; and Rohit Bhasin, a former partner at PricewaterhouseCoopers and an independent director. These are the individuals in the governing council or the governing board of the Center for Policy Research, one of the most influential think tanks in the country, which has a body of work across several areas, from the environment to national security.